Did you know that many deep-sea creatures can make their own light, an ability called bioluminescence? Or did you know that many marine organisms live in symbiotic relationships, in which the species benefit from each other's coexistence? Here are some facts you will discover in this video. Hello explorers of the deep, today, you will investigate new places and discover the mysterious miracles that exist beneath the vast oceans. Brace yourself for a ride filled with information that will amaze you and make you crave for more. Explore the wonders that make our oceans a cosmic puzzle, from the deep abysses to the radiant light realms. Stay tuned until the end for an amazing revelation. Don't miss out on our new videos. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. Brace yourself for an unparalleled adventure, as the secrets of the sea are about to be revealed. Fact number 1. Did you know that deep in the ocean, pressure can be over 1,000 times atmospheric pressure at sea level? This happens because the weight of the water above exerts an incredibly strong force. The pressure increases quickly the deeper you go. At 1,000 meters, it is about 100 times higher, making deep-sea diving challenging. At 4,000 meters, it surpasses 400 times the normal pressure, which demands marine organisms to have unique adaptations. In places like the Mariana Trench, pressure exceeds 1,100 times normal, imposing unique challenges on abyssal life forms that have evolved to withstand these extreme conditions. Developing unique adaptations, such as pressure-resistant body structures and special physiological mechanisms. Fact number 2. Did you know that giant kelp, a type of seaweed, makes underwater forests in cold and nutrient-rich waters? These forests have many living things and provide homes and food for a variety of marine animals. The kelp, like Macrocystis pyrifera, can grow as tall as 60 meters. Their leaves make many hiding spots and areas for breeding for animals like fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. Kelp helps ocean life by soaking up carbon dioxide and producing oxygen through photosynthesis. These underwater forests also store carbon, which reduces the impact of climate change. They also shield coasts from storms and erosion. Fact number 3. Did you know that the oceans cover over 70% of the Earth's surface and house about 80% of all known life forms? This remarkable marine diversity includes microorganisms like protists and bacteria, along with macroorganisms ranging from fish to marine mammals. Coral reefs are essential ecosystems that shelter approximately a quarter of marine biodiversity. Add to ocean depths and veil species specifically adapted to extreme environments. Despite decades of research, millions of marine species remain undiscovered, testifying to the vast unknown beneath the ocean's surface. This diversity, however, is threatened by overfishing, pollution, and climate change, underlining the importance of protecting these vital marine ecosystems. Fact number 4. Did you know that ocean currents, controlled by factors like wind and temperature difference, have a significant impact on the Earth's climate? These movements of water distribute heat throughout the oceans, which adjusts regional temperatures. For instance, the Gulf Stream current moves warm water from the tropics to the North Atlantic, which affects Western Europe's climate. By redistributing atmospheric humidity, ocean currents also help to regulate precipitation, making them crucial for maintaining climate stability. They also impact marine diversity by carrying nutrients and affecting species distribution. It is crucial to comprehend these currents for anticipating climate change and managing marine resources sustainably. Fact number 5. Did you know that the salt content of ocean water varies greatly, with the highest levels in the Red Sea and the lowest levels near the mouths of large rivers? The Red Sea measures over 40 grams of salt per liter, which is due to its high evaporation rate and limited access to fresh water. In contrast, major river mouths, like the Amazon, have lower salt levels due to the large amount of fresh water flowing in. Salinity distribution is also affected by ocean currents, precipitation, and glacial activity. This variation has a significant impact on ocean currents and the global climate by affecting water density and marine movements worldwide. Understanding these variations is crucial to predict the effects of climate change on the oceans. Fact number 6. Did you know that the oceans contain numerous and diverse ecosystems, ranging from coral reefs to deep-sea hydrothermal vents? Coral reefs provide habitats for a variety of marine animals and have exceptional biodiversity. Kelp meadows are vital for many coastal species and thrive with abundant algae. Hydrothermal vents in deep waters create unique communities that do not rely on sunlight but chemical energy. Other important coastal ecosystems include fjords, estuaries, and mangroves. They have distinct adaptations to local environmental conditions. Additionally, the connection between these ecosystems shapes the ocean's overall health. To maintain the marine ecological balance, it's crucial to preserve this variety. Fact number 7. Did you know that the increasing absorption of carbon dioxide by the oceans is leading to acidification, impacting marine life including corals and shell-forming organisms? As CO2 enters the ocean, it reacts with seawater to create carbonic acid, lowering the ocean's pH. This acidification harms the ability of many marine animals to form their shells and skeletons. Corals, which use calcium carbonate to form their skeletons, are especially at risk. Reduced calcification can weaken coral reefs, putting all the ecosystems they support at risk. To prepare for the consequences of climate change, it is essential to understand these changes and develop effective conservation strategies for marine biodiversity. Fact number 8. Did you know that new oceanic crust is created when tectonic plates move apart at mid-ocean ridges? This process is called seabed spreading. It is fueled by magma rising from the Earth's mantle. As the magma reaches the surface, it cools and makes new oceanic crust. The tectonic plates move apart while this process repeats itself, resulting in symmetry on both sides of the ridge. This phenomenon, called divergence, is what causes the spreading of continents over a long time. Volcanic eruptions linked to seafloor spreading have significant effects on the chemical makeup of oceans and can create underwater landforms like seamounts. Studying these processes improves our understanding of the Earth's dynamics and how its surface changes over time. Fact number 9. Did you know that the oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface and contain about 80% of all known life forms? This marine life includes tiny organisms like phytoplankton, as well as giant creatures like whales. Coral reefs, even though they make up only 1% of the ocean, have almost 25% of marine life. From deep ocean zones to coastal areas, each marine ecosystem provides a different place for species to live. However, many marine species are still unknown, especially in the deep ocean. This variety helps regulate the climate, produce oxygen, and ensure global food security. It's important to preserve this diversity to maintain a balanced marine ecosystem and guarantee the sustainability of ocean resources. Fact number 10. Did you know that ocean currents in the depths of the ocean are crucial to thermohaline circulation? This system is powered by changes in temperature and salinity. And it all starts in the polar regions when surface water cools and becomes denser. This dense, salty water then sinks to the bottom of the ocean, creating the driving force that circulates the water. These deep currents move through the oceans, transporting heat and nutrients. When they come up to the surface in the equatorial areas, they assist with moving heat around the world. Thermohaline circulation is very important for the world's climate since it manages ocean temperatures and influences the weather in different regions. Any disturbance to this mechanism could have significant effects on marine ecosystems and climate. Fact number 11. Did you know that many deep-sea creatures can make their own light, an ability called bioluminescence? This ability has various functions. Some animals utilize it to lure prey by imitating moonlit light, and others use it to attract mates during mating rituals. There are many creatures that can produce their own light, like fish, jellyfish, and squid. Complex chemical reactions between specific molecules and oxygen cause bioluminescence. This adaptation evolved to survive in the deep ocean where sunlight can't reach. Bioluminescence research provides valuable information about biodiversity and ecological interactions in these harsh conditions, as well as inspiring innovative technologies such as medical imaging and chemical detection. Fact number 12. Did you know that the ocean is split up into various areas, each with its distinct features? The epipelagic zone, which extends down to 200 meters from the surface, is known for its abundant sunlight and is home to the majority of marine life. Next is the mesopelagic zone, which is between 200 and 1,000 meters deep and known for being the twilight zone where light gradually fades. Beyond that is the bathypelagic zone, 1,000 to 4,000 meters deep, also called the midnight zone, where only bioluminescent organisms can survive. The subpelagic zone, ranging from depths of 4,000 to 6,000 meters, defines the abyss due to its rigorous conditions. The hadopelagic zone covers the oceanic trenches and reaches the deepest depths. Both zones provide habitats for diverse organisms adapted to unique environments of pressure, temperature, and brightness. These adaptations offer a fascinating understanding of how creatures survive in different marine domains. Fact number 13. Did you know that only about 20% of the ocean floor has been thoroughly mapped? This means that much of it remains unexplored. This estimate shows that our planet has many unknown areas. Mapping tools like multi-beam echography and sonar mapping have discovered landforms, seamounts, and trenches in the ocean. But much of the seabed hasn't been explored because it's too deep, with harsh conditions and high research costs. Exploring the seafloor has important implications for our understanding of the biodiversity, geologies, and resources of the ocean. To better understand the mysteries of the unexplored ocean depths, we need to increase our efforts to map and explore underwater areas. Fact number 14. Did you know that the way Earth spins affects the direction of ocean currents and winds? It's called the Coriolis effect, and it plays a big role in determining which way they move. This force deflects atmospheric and oceanic movements to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. As a result, the formation and path of ocean currents are influenced, contributing to global ocean circulation. In the North Atlantic, the Coriolis effect helps to create the Gulf Stream, which is a major ocean current. The same effect also influences the trade winds that blow from east to west in the tropics. Knowledge of the Coriolis effect is essential for weather forecasting, marine navigation, and studying oceanic phenomena, as it provides insight into the intricate interplay between the Earth's rotation and atmospheric and oceanic movements. Fact number 15. Did you know that marine snow isn't the same as regular snow? Instead, it's particles of organic matter that fall from the ocean surface to the seafloor. This organic debris includes remains from phytoplankton, dead planktonic animals, and dissolved organic matter. The particles come together as they sink, creating a snow that reaches the depths of the ocean. This process, called particle flow, sustains deep-sea ecosystems by providing a continuous food supply. Deep-sea creatures like polychaete worms and sponges eat marine snow. This helps break down organic matter and contributes to biodiversity and the regulation of marine biogeochemical cycles. Understanding marine snow is essential for understanding how marine ecosystems work and their role in the ocean carbon cycle. Fact number 16. Did you know that blue holes are underwater sinkholes frequently found in shallow waters near the coast? They can be highly informative about past sea levels due to their depth and the circular shape of their entrances. The water's clarity gives them an intense blue hue. Blue holes, like the Great Blue Hole near Belize's coast, function as geological archives. The sedimentary deposits found in blue holes offer evidence of climate change, sea level variations, and past biodiversity. Scientists study the layers of sediment to trace ocean fluctuations over time. Along with their scientific significance, these formations also serve as exclusive homes to marine species and draw visitors to dive. Ongoing research on blue holes yields invaluable knowledge about the environmental and climatic history of coastal areas. Fact number 17. Did you know that many marine organisms live in symbiotic relationships, in which two species benefit from each other's coexistence? Mutualistic symbiosis is a type of relationship where both partners benefit. A well-known instance is the symbiosis between corals and their zooxanthellae. Corals offer shelter and nutrients, while zooxanthellae conduct photosynthesis, producing energy for the corals. Commensal symbiosis is another variation where one organism gains benefit without harming the other. Cleaner fish, for instance, remove parasites and dead tissue from other fish, thus helping their host away from harm's way. Parasitic symbiosis occurs where one organism benefits at the expense of the other, such as lampreys that feed on fish blood. These specialized and complex relationships are crucial to maintaining stability and balance in marine ecosystems, demonstrating the remarkable interdependence between marine species. Fact number 18. Did you know that melting polar ice significantly affects ocean salinity and contributes to sea level rise, affecting global climate dynamics? When ice melts, it releases fresh water into the ocean, causing a drop in local salt levels. This drop can disturb thermohaline circulation, which is a major force behind global ocean circulation. Moreover, the addition of fresh water leads to increased ocean water volume, resulting in higher sea levels. The results are significant, harming coastal ecosystems and marine life while worsening coastal erosion. Melting ice also substantially adds to greenhouse gas emissions, which worsen climate change. It is vital to comprehend these intricate connections to be prepared for the potential effects on marine systems and climate. Fact number 19. Did you know that the El Niño and La Niña events happening in the Pacific Ocean significantly affect worldwide weather? El Niño is distinguished by the irregular warming of surface waters in the central and eastern part of the equatorial Pacific, resulting in atmospheric disruptions. This leads to extensive weather impacts, including intense rainfall in some areas and droughts in others, altering global climate patterns. On the other hand, La Niña causes an abnormal cooling of the surface waters. This brings about opposite weather conditions, like more rain in some places and colder temperatures in others. These occurrences affect the frequency and intensity of tropical storms, dry spells, floods, and temperature shifts around the world. Continuous monitoring of these climate shifts is important to predict and prevent possible effects on farming, water sources, and other human factors. Fact number 20. Did you know that sea life is a major contributor to biotechnology, providing substances used in medicine and industry? Sponges, corals, and other sea microorganisms generate a diverse array of one-of-a-kind chemicals. These compounds possess bioactive properties, frequently arising from defense mechanisms or adaptation to harsh environmental conditions. Several of these are capitalized on to create anti-cancer drugs, antivirals, and antibiotics. For instance, the medication cytarabine is employed to treat leukemia, and it was discovered from a marine sponge called Cryptotheca crypta. Marine enzymes find use in the production of detergents and food products as well as medicine. Hence, biodiversity in the ocean presents a precious resource for biotechnology innovations and progress in medicine and industry. In our vast oceans, we've discovered many wonders and mysteries. Each discovery teaches us more about life beneath the waves. We've witnessed the immense pressure of the abyss, towering kelp forests, and intricate dance of ocean currents, revealing the deep interconnectedness that defines our planet. As we admire the magnificent oceans, we recognize that they are not just for show, but are crucial to our survival. They regulate the climate, maintain a diverse range of living beings, and provide opportunities for science and medicine. This awareness demands that we take responsibility and care for these vast and intricate ecosystems. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change endanger the existence of marine life. The incredible diversity we have witnessed is hanging in the balance. By understanding, we can make a change. This exploration of ocean facts can motivate us to take action to save, teach, and support sustainable practices. The oceans are not a different universe. They are an important component of our mutual home. By maintaining their loveliness and equilibrium, we secure a future where the marvels we've uncovered continue to prosper, fostering a planet where nature flourishes, and we, who watch over the sea, thrive alongside it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notification bells so you can catch our latest content. Which ocean fact amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating facts about our planet.